In this tutorial, we'll configure a WooCommerce product to sell license keys. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Products. Find the product you want to configure and click Edit. Scroll down to the Product Data panel. Check the Keys option. Then click the Key Manager tab that appears. The key management settings will now be visible. Now, choose how keys are assigned to orders. Automatic. Automatically generate keys using a default pattern. You can also select a generator from the dropdown to use a custom pattern. The other option is Preset or Pre-generated. Use existing manually added keys from your pool. This is ideal for pre-purchased keys or game codes. Let's select Automatic as keys source, and choose a generator for this example. Next, decide if you want to use sequentially formatted keys. When enabled, keys are assigned in sequential order. Now set the delivery quantity. This determines how many keys are sent per order item. The default is 1, meaning 1 key per product. You can increase this for license packs, bulk purchases, or reseller inventory. Once you've configured everything, click Update. That's it. Your product is now configured to sell license keys. Make sure to test your configuration by completing a test purchase.